Right, this is what to do if you find out that there's a leak inside the property and it doesn't seem to be stopping. So we're going to turn the tap on to simulate a leak. So what we want to do is stop that water from running. So underneath the kitchen sink, not always but very often, you'll find a small little tap, brass coloured, and it's usually at the bottom of the cupboard at the back end. We want to be turning that tap and it turns clockwise just like any other regular tap. It will tell for a while, but eventually you'll get there and it'll stop. Now as you can see above, that water's stopped. However, there will still be a small little trickle for a while because it's all the water that's in the pipes above will be running out, and after about 30 seconds to a minute that will stop and your water's now switched off.